Good evening, guys. Ray here, Parks 40 Gainesville. Listen, I've got two incredible trades I just took in today. I'm gonna go over them real quick. There's too much to tell you about them on both of these vehicles. One of which was bought here. It's actually a local guy. I see him all the time. 2013 F-150 extended cab four-wheel drive. It's this one right behind me. Beautiful tuxedo black, dual exhaust, V8, four-wheel drive, extended cab. Already has a leveling kit on it. It's a good friend of mine. He is meticulous on his upkeep. The truck sounds amazing, 89,000 miles. Good, inexpensive four-wheel drive truck. This is it. Now beside it is one that I just parked, just finished taking in, and this is going to be a 2018 Tahoe Premiere. This thing is loaded, absolutely loaded. Adaptive cruise, blind spot, lane keep, brake controller, DVD system, sunroof, heated air conditioned seats, your wireless charging. It is absolutely, it's a gem. You need to come check this thing out. $24,000 miles, still under full factory warranty. Power deploying running boards, captain's chairs in the second row. Guys, out here at Parks 40 Gainesville, we're taking in high-end, top-of-the-line trades daily. Come check us out, 3333 North Main Street, Gainesville, Florida.